What's up, YouTube? Back to me again with another unboxing for you guys. And today, this is my first Under Armour soccer cleats. And also, this is an early release pair. And I'm fortunate to get my hands on this pair through the Dick's Sporting Goods. So they had it online, so I just bought it. And it's a pair of Under Armour Shadow Elites 3 in orange colorway. Retail price is $220. And for this pair, I'm wearing a size 10. So this Under Armour pair came in a black and white box with Under Armour logo and Under Armour branding at the top and at the front. Back, you have the Under Armour and logo and branding on the back. Let's take a look at the inside. So inside has this tissue paper featuring the Under Armour logo and branding on the paper. There's no string back for the Elite models from Under Armour, so it's just the cleats themselves. So box away. And here you go, guys. This is a pair of Under Armour Shadow Elite 3 with an orange colorway. This is a newest colorway from Under Armour Shadow cleats. And as you know, like the players like Hakimi is wearing it at the moment. It's not on the Under Armour website yet, but I don't know how Dick's Sporting Goods posted it. Have this on their website, so I'm fortunate to get my hands on this early pair. So the upper of the Shadow Elites is built with the re-engineered Under Armour Intelliknit upper for like minimalist exonomic knit that delivers like a second skin feel. Very different from Nike Grip Knit. And then also at the front, around it, on the heel in the front, you see there's a lighter colorway. So this is like the water resistance, never wet coating on the upper to keep everything cool and dry. So it gives you better ball control when it comes to raining weather or like wet conditions. And also like they have like the strategic rip knit that increase like all the ball controls, so you see all like this line over here and like the TPU skin for maximum like ball contact. This pair features like the Under Armour, the white Under Armour logo on the heel, both outside and inside. And inside you will have like an orange insole with with a white Under Armour logo. The lace is also like orange as well. You get the shadow branding on the tongue. Not actually the tongue, but like this is one piece upper, so it's on the top tongue. And then the sock line feeling is just molded to your feet, which creates a lot of comfort when you first try them on. This is another pair. This is another one, so you guys can see. And also you can see that this pair features a carbon fiber agility outsole for like maximum acceleration and deceleration to help like create like separations on firm ground, natural surface. I play a lot on artificial ground these days, so I don't know if this outsole is gonna work on it, but it looks very aggressive, to be honest. Look at how long the studs on the heel is. I feel like it's not as aggressive as the Nike Mercurial Superfly or Vapor, as I use them all on AG a lot, but this is very aggressive compared to other like outsole, like the F50s or like the Pumas. And then they have like this orange Under Armour logo on the outsole. The carbon fiber outsole reminds me of like the pattern only reminds me of the glass outsole from the Nike Mercurial Vapor 8. And then also, as it mentioned in the box, that the upper like also contains like at least like 30% of the recycled content. In terms of fit and feel, I think it's true to size. It's snug, but it's not as snug as the Nike Mercurial. And for me, I'm wearing my true size 10 on the soccer cleats. Usually I just wear a 10.5, but this 10 US fits me perfectly. The volume is very low as well. On the toe box, very low, but it fits very comfortable out of the box. And after a few sessions, I think it's just like molded to your feet. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy my video and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. Thank you guys. Peace.